Okay, YouTube. This was gonna be a silent unboxing, but I want to kind of give my opinion. I think this is the ultraviolet, one of the new summer colors this year. I think this is a little darker than I thought it was gonna be. Personally, I thought it was gonna be something just a little bit brighter. Cause when you think of ultraviolet, to me, you think of maybe like a neon kind of color, in my opinion. I don't know. Sorry, I'm yawning. So I definitely, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I love purple though. I really do. I like my bright colors, purples and pinks and all that, especially with it being the summertime. This is the small Voyager that wasn't on sale at Michael Kors. I don't know. So the jewelry is still out on this one. I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, I'm so sorry. So I'll do a more in-depth review of the bag when I use it for a little bit. And I might switch bags just to see if the color grows on me. Okay, YouTube. Thank you for watching my somewhat silent unboxing. They actually gift wrap, because every time I ask them to gift wrap stuff, they never do. I actually gift wrap my stuff this time. All right. Well, I will see you all later. Sorry. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.